A very simple way to prevent accidental overloads in your IT environment is to use the IEC Outlet Plug Cap. What you do is insert the plug cap into one of your IEC outlets. Once installed, there is no way to remove this without a specialized tool. What this then does is prevent any additional cables to be inserted into your equipment, preventing any accidental overloads. And the only way to remove that is with this tool. You insert and twist and pull. This is a very simple and effective way to give you total control of your IT environment and prevent any accidental downtime. For more information on the IEC plug cap and other ways to secure your IT facility, please contact us and we'll be happy to help right away or visit our website.